You cannot make this up. You can't. You just cannot make this stuff up. I wish I could. I'd be a millionaire book writer, storyteller, something. Hey everyone, how's it going? So you are actually sitting with Kenny. I'm driving my daughter's car and I don't have a mount to hold the camera, so I pulled over in a school parking lot just so I could make this video. So, you remember Mr. Doe? The guy with the attitude? You call me Mr. Doe. You don't call me by my first name. And, you know, that whole bit. He had his vehicle towed in with the blown rear end, and then we gave him an estimate, and then he wanted to pay us $1,000 and then $100 a week. And it's like, no, we don't extend credit to people that we don't call by their first name. That guy? Okay. So the phone rings today. I answered the phone. Thank you for calling my Lex. Kenny speaking. How can I help you? Kenny? Oh, see, it's okay for him to call me Kenny. Kenny? Yes? This is Mr. Doe. Oh, hi, Mr. Doe. How are you? I'm not good. Okay. Now, remember, we didn't do anything to his car. He blew the rear end. We pushed it in. We looked it over, gave him an estimate. And then he wanted us to extend him credit. No, that's not how this works. So he says he's not good. I go, what's the matter, Mr. Doe? You guys broke my transmission. Excuse me? You guys broke my transmission. I swear, this stuff, I tell you what, I'm just blown away. He says, you broke my transmission. How did we break your transmission, Mr. Doe? The car wouldn't go anywhere. Your truck would not move. Well, I had the truck towed to my house, and now park doesn't work. Park doesn't work. Let me repeat that. Park doesn't work. The rear end is blown in a two-wheel drive pickup truck. How well is park going to work? It's not going to. Park is not going to work when you have a blown rear end. Apparently, he had it towed to his house, and he was doing something with it, and he had the door open, and it rolled backwards, and the door caught something and ripped the door forward. And now he's trying to blame us for it. Yeah, now he's trying to blame us for it. So I told him, sir, that's impossible that we broke your transmission. And I explained to him, with the rear end broken, there's no way to load the transmission park pole. The transmission's going in park. I know that's going in park because when I shift it into gear and the drive shaft just starts spinning and you throw it in park, you hear it go brrr, click. So, yeah, park is working. It's not broken. So, yeah, he's trying to blame us. He's trying to blame us. How comical is that? So he actually says he's got some mobile mechanic that's going to come and put a rear end in his driveway. And he says after that, he's going to be bringing his truck back to us because we broke the transmission. Yeah, okay. Yeah. No. Told him, get the rear end fixed, and you'll see how well your park works now. Yeah. So, I'm telling you, this stuff is comical at best. It's like you cannot make this stuff up. Like I said, I really wish I could, but I can't. I just can't. You gotta laugh at it. You can't get upset. You gotta laugh. You just have to. All right. I hope you're getting something out of my videos. I thought that was just way too funny. So I just thought I would share that with you. All right, guys. I gotta head home. Like I said, I got my daughter's car, so I just had to do an oil change and put a battery in it. All right, guys. Hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.